How to use Google reverse image search on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device, and as you launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar and search for Google over here. So let's search for Google and simply search for any of the pictures. I'm gonna search for dog over here. So let's suppose it's a dog. Now what you can simply do is tap on the picture or the image. So let's tap on the image over here, and as you tap on the image, it will just zoom in the picture. So let's tap on any of the picture, and you can see this little camera icon at the left side of the screen from the image right over here. So you can just tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see all the related searches over here regarding this particular picture. Next way, what you can do is simply launch the Google over here, and here you can simply see this option of camera icon beside the microphone. So you can just tap on it, and you can use your camera to do the reverse image search on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.